put the spotlight on the technicals of the market, and Kunal Bothra as well as Nooresh is always with us for just that. Kunal, hi, good morning. Let's begin by discussing the market setup. A bit of a sideways move yesterday at the index level, but it's the outperformance of the broader markets that's really intriguing and interesting.
Well, absolutely, yes. And just to put a stat over here, on 20th or 21st of November, when the markets were into a very sharp selling spree, there was almost 85 to 90% of the stocks in the mid cap, small cap, and even the Nifty 50, which were trading below their their 50 DMAs, 100 DMAs, etc. Now the number has now dropped down to 5% and 6% for these mid cap and small cap names indices. So which means that there's been a not just a very sharp recovery in terms of the price appreciation, but then there's been a good recovery across the breadth of the mid caps and small cap names, and I think that's the hallmark of this rally what we've seen in the last 2-3 weeks of the market. Now what we've seen in the last couple of days is just a sideways range for the index, where the Nifty is coming back into a retesting of the support point of 24,500. Generally these round figure marks, they generally become good support points for the indices because they become hub for option writers. So again, I think we're seeing very similar stance, where 24,500 is more of a stronger hub for put writers, and 25,000 on the upper side could be a resistance for the index for the very near term.
Okay, that's the that's the resistance that you need to watch out for on the higher end. But Nooresh, Bank Nifty less than 2% away from life highs. When do you reckon that's likely to happen?
So it could happen over the next couple of weeks, possibly. Bank Nifty is clearly showing resilience, and in the terms of the top two heavyweights, the 50-55% of the Bank Nifty are clearly holding up well. So HDFC and ICICI are holding up well. And now we are even seeing support coming back from SBI, which is trying to sustain about 860. You have Kotak Bank trying to come about 1800. So it's a matter of time that we eventually go past that 54,500 mark, and then we look at it. So overall, the leadership is clear. It's banks and IT. Many names in these sectors are actually hitting new 52-week highs and all-time highs. So the structure is set. We are just taking a pause after the 1200, 1500 pointer comeback on the Nifty.